Greetings, I'm Mark with Unlimited Story, unlimited-story.com, a channel dedicated to writing, world building, marketing, and most importantly, getting things done. If you want to support the channel and the things that I do, just search Unlimited Story on Kindle or Kindle Vella. Otherwise, there's stuff right in the description below. You can do like a little reading marathon thing. In this video, I'm going to be covering The Transparent Planets by James Bolden, and here is the description. Space was always our destiny, but to reach it before our time is to risk everything. What will come when the transparent planets are revealed? Let's see what tags we got. Sci-fi, space adventure, other worlds, adventure, world building, futuristic, and ensemble. Interesting. Graphics kind of neat. I have no idea what it's supposed to be, but it looks pretty, so that's fun. Let's get started. Oh, and this is only 2 episodes out, so this should go pretty quick. Here we go. I have just finished reading the first 2, which are the only episodes that exist of The Transparent Planets, and kind of here's what you can be looking forward to. The first episode, basically just it's actually more like a prologue / introduction to world building, so it's not overly exciting because there's nothing to it. It's being told like, yo, this is what's gonna go down, so here's what's going down. Long story short, we're in a little protective bubble. It's called a barrier or a shield or something like that protects us. And by us, I mean Earth / our solar system from everything else that's out there. So because it exists, we don't got to worry about, your Klingons or your orcs or your Tyranids or whatever you want to call them these days, xenomorphs. But whatever the case, because that shield's there, we're totally safe and life is pretty great. Now, what happens? Let's move on to episode 2, where actually some stuff actually can happen. So I like to call this your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle team, which means there are 4 characters and they have basically these characteristics. You got a leader, which is your Leonardo. You got your kind of like rough and tough, military style, whatever, your strong one. That's your Raphael. You got your token brains, that's Donatello, the best one. And then you got somebody who's possibly useful down the road. That's your Michelangelo. Okay, so that's what you got in here. You got Elizabeth Ward, which is your Michelangelo. You got, I think, Thomas. He's your ex-military type guy. He's your Raphael. You got Kevin, who's clearly the best one on the ship. That's your Donatello. And then Michelangelo looks like it's Mark Torres, I want to say. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. So what do I got to say about him? They'll kind of fill out their role. There isn't a whole lot that happens in the chapter. They get pumped. They're hanging out. You got your token introduction to them. They've been on this ship for a long time, and they're really closing in on the edge of the solar system. So they hit the edge of the solar system at the end of the story, and then basically the story just picks up. Like, my understanding is they hit the edge of the solar system, and then the shield, I guess, breaks. I'm pretty sure that's how the whole world building system works, is that, okay, you reach the end of the solar system, your shield's gone now because they reached the end, and then there's a ship. So then they gotta deal with some orcs or Tyranids or whatever it's gonna be. So that's pretty much the extent of the story thus far. Short chapters, but I mean, everything made sense, so I was pretty happy with it. And that is a wrap for The Transparent Planets. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe or, watch another one of my videos. If you want to have your stuff reviewed, just check out my website, unlimited-story.com. Information's at the bottom. Just hop on Discord, shoot me a message. That's it. Thanks. Peace.